Time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Welcome to the whole song, Edward Grieg's Morning. We're going to do this with the metronome. Take a look at that thing. At 60 beats per minute. Remember why 60 is my favorite tempo? Because it's the same as the second hand on the clock. It's not actually my favorite tempo to listen to. I like music that's usually a little bit faster. But this is a nice one because it's philosophically my favorite tempo. It's the same as the second hand on the clock. So it's an easy one to find. Okay, we're going to start from the beginning, and we're going to try the whole song through. And if you make some mistakes, the idea is to kind of look ahead and jump back in at a spot you can get. Some students get really tangled up just trying to catch up, and then they stay a note behind the whole time. Just look at the next line and kind of wait for it and count off and prepare, and then jump back in if you need to. Okay, here we go. We're going to do 2 sets of 3 counts to start because this song is 3 beats per measure. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. And I wish I had started a little quieter, just so we have an aspect of style in here as well. 1, 2, 3. There's line 3. Stronger and lower in the bow. Here's our flat 1. Here's another 1. And the end of the song, we want stronger. And that is the whole song at 60 beats per minute. Practice it a bunch of times, just play along. Make sure your notes sound the same, and if you need to, of course, just pause and practice the parts that are the hardest. If we're going through the whole song at 60 beats per minute, you could think of it like you're taking a quick survey of the whole thing to see which parts you're good at and which parts you stumble over. So highlight those parts that you stumble over and practice them without the track, just play them on your own a few times. And then really focus on getting good at those parts. And that's all we're going to do for right now, so give yourself a round of applause, practice it a bunch of times, and enjoy. This is, I think, one of the more beautiful songs we've done so far. Good job.
Was that pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody! Great job. That's a wrap. Nice work. Real solid. Great.